Hey guys, so the upcoming Oppo flagship, the Find X6 Pro, might be available in Snapdragon and Dimensity versions. Recently, the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, also known as CMIIT, approved a new Oppo Find X6 series phone with the model number PHS 1110. It seems that it's going to be the Oppo Find X6 Pro Dimensity Edition. And according to the leaks and specs of this device, it seems the device will be powered by the Dimensity 9200 chip that went official recently. It is MediaTek's latest flagship and it is almost on par with the 8th Gen 2. The device is also expected to have a large AMOLED display that measures either 6.8 inches or 6.9 inches and offers a Quad HD Plus resolution and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz. Additionally, the device is also expected to have an under-display fingerprint scanner for added security. The camera setup on the Find X6 Pro is expected to be impressive. It's a flagship device with a 32-megapixel front camera and a triple camera unit on the back panel. The triple camera unit is expected to include a 50-megapixel main camera. It is the Sony IMX890 sensor and it supports OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide angle camera and a 50MP telephoto camera. This suggests that the device will be capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos and will have a versatile camera system for different shooting scenarios. The Find X6 Pro is also expected to have a moderate battery life, a 5000 mAh battery, and it supports 100 watts super fast charging and 50 watts wireless charging. The device is also likely to run the ColorOS 13, which is based on the Android 13 OS. Overall, the Oppo Find X6 Pro Dimensity Edition is shaping up to be a powerful and feature-rich device that will appeal to those who are looking for a high-end smartphone with a large display, a versatile camera system, and fast charging capabilities. The device is expected to debut in Q1 2023, so it may be available for purchase soon. I'd like to hear your thoughts about these details of the upcoming Oppo Find X6 series. So make sure to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Perfect.